massive cargo ship carrying 3,000 vehicles, including 800 electric cars, has sunk in the Pacific Ocean. The Morning Midas caught fire earlier this month, with smoke first spotted near the deck carrying EVs. Lithium-ion batteries in electric vehicles can ignite if damaged, and that's exactly what may have happened. Zodiac Maritime says heavy weather worsened the damage, and on June 23rd, water entered the vessel, causing it to sink. The ship went down 360 nautical miles from land, in waters 5,000 meters deep. Another chilling reminder of how